Welcome back to another tutorial for the Riders Republic game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable menu narration or the screen reader feature within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Riders Republic game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing your game, when you navigate to the various menus, there is a feature that will read whatever option is highlighted. If you want to enable or disable this, simply go into options by pausing your game and then navigate to the Accessibility tab. Inside Accessibility, just scroll down until you reach the Sound section. Here you will find the menu narration feature. By default, this is turned off, but if you want to, then you can turn it on as well. When you turn this feature on, every menu item that is highlighted will be narrated using a voice. Just make your desired selection and then go back, and this will save your changes right away. Now, if you wish to once again change this setting in the future, just follow the same steps. Pause the game, go into Options, and then from the Accessibility tab, you can once again change your menu narration settings. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable screen reader or menu narration on the Riders Republic game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.